It is easy to make money on WhatsApp. Yes, it is easy, but not many people are aware of that. So on today's video, I'm going to show you exactly or tell you on how to make money on WhatsApp. But the first thing that you need to know when you need to make money on WhatsApp, you need audience, which is something that people are mostly struggling about. So I'm going to tell you on how to approach it. Let's say wherever you go, you meet someone else, you exchange the number. The more you do that, the more your audience are going to grow. Remember, when someone share his or her number with you, they are most likely to view your status. So the more your status are getting views, is the more you can be able to make money on WhatsApp. Once you start having 20 plus views on your WhatsApp status, that is most likely for you to be able to make money on WhatsApp. The reason why I'm saying so is because WhatsApp is more intimate. The reason why I'm saying it's more intimate is mainly because these are the people who know you, who are trusting you. Remember, someone before they buy something to you, they need to trust you. If there's no trust between you and the other person on the other side, they are most likely to deny themselves to buying to you. So having more chances of buying from you, mainly because they know you and they trust you. So you need to make sure that you accumulate more of the contact so that you can be able to make money. Some of the people, remember, are the family members, and the family members, maybe they trust you. I don't know how the dynamics when it comes to your family, but I believe that they trust you, so they are going to support you. Even your friends are most likely to support you. But there's only one problem, that so many people are making it. Some of them it's working out, some of them it doesn't. Is posting only brands continuously and making a lot of statuses. Per day you need to be able to post maybe approximately maximum of 5 posts about your product or whatever that you are selling or you're trying to make money out of. Posting more than that, people are just going to pass your statuses. I'm sure you guys are aware of that. There are people who are posting a lot of status to the point whereby when you come across their statuses, you just pass by. So don't be that person. Post maybe 3, maybe 4 of something that you are offering to them so that they can be able to watch your status. So the more you post a lot of status, that's the more they are going to pass you. Another mistake that people do, and then they come back and say that WhatsApp you can't be able to make money on, is because what they do, they don't go through their contact and check if whatever they are offering to these people or they are going to advertise on statuses is something that can be relatable to their contact. For example, I'm going to make an example about me or one of my friends. For me personally, I can't be able to sell something that is higher than 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, even 1,000 when I stay lower than 500. That's the most that I can go. Mainly because I know my contact don't have that kind of money. And also some of them, if they have it, they rather go to the store, right? So you need to be able to check your contact whether they will be able to buy whatever you are offering. So let me make an example of someone who's very famous, or maybe someone who's not famous but have a lot of contact of people who are famous and who have a lot of money. Let me say promoters. Promoters are not famous, but they have a lot of contact of people who can be able to buy expensive stuff. Things like cars, things like tags, things like iPhones, things like so many things. Those people can be able to sell something that is more expensive, mainly because their audience are mostly likely to have more money and be able to afford it. On my side, there's a student, there's people who are starting to work, so I must be able to accommodate those kind of people. If I come here and sell a car, who's going to buy a car out of my contact? I don't think there will be anyone who will be able to buy a car. But if I sell maybe X, everyone needs X, they will be able to. Just like my friends is selling X, is selling Archer. So people are coming and buying and buying and buying. So that's one thing that people are making. You need to be able to check your contact, whether they will be able to buy from you or what. Make a statistics whether how many people are interested in this, how many people are interested in this, how many people are interested, and pick the most likely to happen, the most likely to get buyers from it. So those two mistakes that you need to check your contact, and also to put a lot of status on your statuses. Post maximum of 5, at least 3 per day, so that they can be able to go through your statuses, not passing by. Now let's get straight to the business on how to make money on WhatsApp. Now you have audience, now you don't post a lot of statuses, and you know what kind of a people are you selling for. So number one on how to make money using WhatsApp is to do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing mainly is whereby you are going to promote the other product from anywhere. So the programs that I can give you is Amazon affiliate, is Take a Lot affiliate. There's a lot, guys. So just go to the internet and search South African affiliates. If you are in Ghana, you can search Ghana affiliates programs. They will appear. Even Nike do affiliates, even Mr. Price do affiliates. Like there's a lot, guys. So you just have to search and go through them. So you need to make sure that you take whatever. Let's say maybe I'm selling clothes, the jacket, because we are approaching winter right now. I can go to Mr. Price and sign up as an affiliate program and take any beautiful jacket, take their link and promote it on my status. So whenever someone click right over there and purchase that jacket, I am going to get a commission from that person when he or she buys that jacket. So that's how you can be able to make money on WhatsApp. Number two is dropshipping. Dropshipping and affiliate marketing, they are most likely correlate, mainly because you are selling something that you don't have on yourself. So when we talk about affiliate marketing, which is the one that we just spoke about, is whereby you promote the link. But when we speak about dropshipping, it's whereby you are going to promote the product without having it. Affiliate marketing, you promote the link, but then on dropshipping, you're just going to promote the product. You're just going to promote the product. You're just going to have only a picture to advertise it, like, hey guys, I'm selling these things. So whenever someone buys that thing, say maybe he texted you on WhatsApp saying, I need that. So they are going to send the money to you. And then what you're going to do is going to take that money. Maybe let's say you were selling that jacket for about 400, but when in store, wherever where you are going to purchase it, it is 300, meaning that you have 100 rand profit. So you're going to keep your 100 rand profit and then take that 300, make the actual purchases from the supplier and giving out all the details. Where does the supplier have to ship the product? So that's how you make money. There are people who think that dropshipping you need to have a store. Even if you don't have a store, you can be able, like I said, you can just take a picture, post it on your WhatsApp, and then when someone buys that product, you just have to communicate with the supplier and give out all the addresses to ship that product to the person who just bought it from you. That's how you make money. Number three is to sell your product. Now you are selling something that you have. And this method is the most one that can be able to make you money, mainly because people are seeing you having that product on yourself. Let's say I'm selling this jacket. You can literally see that I'm wearing this jacket and I can show you a bunch of them that I'm selling them. So people are most likely to trust you because you have it on yourself. So that's one of the things. So I'm going to make an example about my friends. My friend is doing the very same thing. He buys eggs and then take a picture of the eggs, having it on himself to show people that I have them. You can buy them, I will deliver them. So that's why his business is working properly, because people are trusting him because he's having it on his arms. So when we sell something that you don't have it, sometimes people are very, they don't really trust you because you don't have it. But if you have it, it builds trust to them that these people have it, I can be able to buy from this. So sell your own product. I'm not saying only clothes. You can sell everything that you have it, or you can go to any Chinese store and look for anything that is cheap right there and come back to sell it. Maybe you can buy maybe a bunch of them, maybe 10 of them. Let me make an example whereby I was selling this generator, whereby when there's load shedding, you can be able to plug your appliances. So that product, I post it on my WhatsApp status, and also I post it on Marketplace, but I made sales on Marketplace. So you can be able, because I bought 5 of them, so you can be able to take those, buy them in bulk, take a picture, show them I have them in store, and then post it on a WhatsApp status. People will contact you and say, hey, I need that, I see you have it on yourself, so I need to purchase this. Then you will deliver it. If it's someone that is far, you will use whatever the delivery to make sure that that person gets whatever he bought. Another way on how to make money on WhatsApp is to offer service. If you have a skill based on programming, based on graphic design, based on trading, whatever the skill that you have, you can be able to promote it on your status so that people can be aware of and show the results to make people trust you that you can be able to do that. I'm going to make an example about Manando. Manando is a forex trader. He used to post his viewers on WhatsApp is about 1,000 some couple, meaning that he have a lot of contact on his phone. So he's promoting his services of trading. He says that he will teach you how to trade with a certain amount or maybe sell you signals. So he's promoting himself on his WhatsApp because he have a lot of contact, and he got those contact on Facebook groups whereby people are just posting about trading. Then he will leave his WhatsApp there, contact me if you need some help, and then save those pictures, post about trading, and then now people are coming back to him and say, hey, can you please teach me? And then he offer them a service of how to trade forex, and then charge them a certain portion amount of money in order for them to receive the service of trading. Another way on how to make money on WhatsApp is to create a WhatsApp channel. I'm sure you guys have seen this by now, that WhatsApp have a channel, and those channels are growing massively. All you need to do is to create your WhatsApp. They're going to ask you for a name of the WhatsApp. So your name of the WhatsApp must be based on the niche that you want to do. Let's say maybe it's a tech niche. You're going to come up with a tech name that you can put it on your WhatsApp channel, and then thereafter they're going to ask you about the description. Then you're going to put the description and also the profile picture. So all you need to do after that is to take the link of the WhatsApp channel and then promote it on Facebook, on Instagram, on maybe your WhatsApp status for your contact to go on WhatsApp channel, because, and also ask them to promote that link to other people so that you can grow your community. And also you need to make sure that you provide a valuable information inside that channel so that people can stick around and also recommend other people. And when that channel have been grown, have a lot of audience, that's when you can be able to promote the link, the product, the classes, whatever the case may be, but it must be based on tech because the channel is about tech. So if you watch this video up until the end, please make sure that you subscribe down below and tell me what are the other ways that you are making money on WhatsApp, or what are the ones that you took that you are going to implement on yourself to make money online. So please make sure that you watch this video on the screen. I will see you right there.